Hi everybody, it's Rexy Davis, your favorite craft lady. We got another craft, another special request from my YouTube channel. Today, we're gonna make a frog. Oh yes, I make amphibians too. And guess what it's made out of? That's right, a toilet paper core. We gotta have another finger puppet, of course. So, the first thing we're gonna do, gonna paint it white. So, let's get started. We're gonna push down the top on both sides, like it is. And then, we're gonna smush the two ends. And we're gonna draw a frog. Circles for the eyes. A big oval for the head. We're gonna give him a little flip over here. A little flipper over here. Some legs sticking out. Okay, now that he's drawn up, we're gonna paint him. Thank you so much for watching. a little frog craft. Keep those requests coming. I love my little frog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like me. Bye-bye.